Good afternoon, dear students. This is your Sudha ma'am. Welcome to the second session of lesson 9, that is reflection of light. In our previous session, we have studied about reflection of light, making our own periscope, lateral inversion, and creating a garden in a box. And in this session, we are going to study about kaleidoscope and spherical mirrors. Let's get started. A kaleidoscope is a toy that uses light and mirrors to reflect objects and create beautiful, fascinating, repeating patterns. And it works on the principle of multiple reflections. Like our garden, creating a garden in a box, this is also works under the principle of multiple reflections, where the mirrors reflects the objects and they create the fascinating patterns if you observe through kaleidoscope. And making of kaleidoscope: take 3 mirror strips of same size. Tie these strips with a rubber band to form a triangular tube. In the figure 17a it was shown, we have to make them like a triangular tube and the reflecting surfaces facing each other inside the tube. Whatever the paint is there for these plain glasses, that is outside we have to keep, and the reflecting surfaces all three towards inside the tube. And cover one end of the tube with a translucent paper using a rubber band. This translucent paper allows the light. One side with translucent with the paper, and another side cover the second end with cardboard sheet and make a hole in it so that we can able to see through the hole. One side translucent paper to allow the light, and second side with a cardboard, but we have to make a hole to that cardboard. Your kaleidoscope is now ready, and in that we have to put some pieces of colored beads or glass bangles which are broken inside this triangular tube as shown, and observe the patterns. In a kaleidoscope, the light is bounced by the glass. Colored beads and glass pieces present inside are reflected in the mirrors to create magnificent patterns. As the sunlight is entered and there is a multiple images are formed, and if you turn this kaleidoscope, then you can able to see the magnificent patterns of created by the multiple reflection of these beads and glass pieces. These patterns are excellent visual treat to the person who looks through kaleidoscope, and it is fun to watch these mixing and matching patterns created inside the kaleidoscope. And that is about kaleidoscope. Now we are moving on to the next topic, that is spherical mirrors. The mirrors which contain curved reflecting surface is called spherical mirrors. So these mirrors are having curved reflecting surface. What we are using is called plane mirror, which has a flat surface, and spherical mirrors are having curved reflecting surface, and these are of two types. One is concave mirror and another one is convex mirror. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Take a rubber ball and cut a portion of it with a knife as shown in the figure 21. Inside surface of the cut piece of the ball is called concave surface, and the outside surface of it is called convex surface. Which is inside is called concave surface and outside is called convex surface. If the reflecting surface of a mirror is concave, it is called convex mirror. If the reflecting surface is concave, that means bent towards inside, then we will call it as a concave mirror. And if the reflecting surface is convex, that is bulging out, then we can call it as a convex mirror. As convex and concave mirrors are a part of the sphere, hence these mirrors are known as spherical mirrors. So, in this picture you can see a plane mirror, a concave mirror and a convex mirror. And you can take a new big spoon to observe these mirrors. Take one new and big spoon. Why new spoon? Because it reflects. Try to observe your image in a stainless steel spoon. The curved shining surface on either side of the spoon acts like a mirrors. On both sides, if you see, one side is bent towards inside, which we used to eat is acts like a concave, and back side of the spoon is convex. When you look the inner part of the spoon, you can find a reverse image. If you observe that, you can see your reverse image. The inner portion of the spoon acts as concave mirror. When you look at the outer portion of the spoon, you will find small size image of yours. Outer portion of the spoon acts as a convex mirror. So, inner portion where you will get your inverted image, reverse image, is concave mirror, acts like a concave mirror, and outside where you can find a small image is acts like a convex mirror. Convex mirrors. Convex mirror is a curved mirror where the reflecting surface bulges out towards the light source. This bulging out surface reflects the light outwards, and these convex mirrors generally we use in our daily life as inside buildings, vehicle mirrors, magnifying glasses and security purposes. Generally these mirrors we use in our daily life as examples like inside the buildings, vehicle mirrors, but for the scooters and cars we use them, and magnifying glasses, etc. And we also use these vehicles in vehicles. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors. These mirrors enable the driver to view much larger area than the plane mirror. The images produced are erect and small in size than the object. So, you can see in these figures, you can see this this is side view mirror and this is rear view mirror, where we can see the objects very small. Now moving on to the concave mirrors. A concave mirror is a type of spherical mirror in which the reflecting surface is inner curved surface of the sphere. That is, in this type of mirrors, the reflecting surface seems to be away from the source of light. And generally we use these mirrors in shaving mirrors, used as head mirror, used in ophthalmoscopes, that is testing for eyes, and used in telescopes and headlights, and used in solar furnaces. These are few daily life uses of these mirrors. And a concave mirror gives the dentist, generally these mirrors are used by dentists, where he will get the magnified reflection of the mouth, and here the image is so large, brighter, and it is clear for the dentist. And moving on to the regular and irregular reflections. Sometimes our image is very clear when you stand in front of certain type of glasses, and sometimes it is not clear when we stand in front of some type of glasses. What is the reason behind this? This is due to regular and irregular reflections. Reflection from a smooth surface like that of a mirror is called regular reflections. And in this type, the clear images are formed, whereas reflection from a rough or irregular surface is called irregular reflection or diffused reflection. From a smooth surface we will get the regular reflection, whereas from a rough surface or irregular surface we will get the irregular reflection, and here the images are not clear. If the surface of the window glass is smooth due to the regular reflection, we are able to see our image in that glass. But if the surface of the window glass is rough due to the irregular reflection, we can't find our image, or we can find unclear images in those glasses. This is about regular and irregular reflection. Let's have summarize today's topics. Today we have learnt about kaleidoscope and spherical mirrors, in which we have learnt about concave mirror and convex mirror, and regular and irregular reflections. That's all for today. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.